Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm very excited to unbox one of my most favorite bags. Well, actually, when this color came out for the first time, I was offered a bag in a size medium, and at that time I already purchased my bag with pearls, and I thought maybe I should just go with one bag per collection, and I rejected it. Can you imagine? And by the time I wanted to buy it, it was already too late because everything was sold out, until one wonderful lady from Melbourne has kindly helped me to get it. I can't believe I nearly missed out on this color. I'm so happy I was able to get it. And by the way, this bag is in a size small, and I'm gonna compare it with the size medium so you can see what can fit in the bag. I will also talk about the chain length. This color is so gorgeous, and I will show you how it looks in a different light so you can compare. The bag still has the original paper inside, and I always keep it inside of my bags to maintain the shape of the bag. And also it has a fantastic card that is matching the number on the sticker. I have not unwrapped it. Actually, I don't always unwrap it. Sometimes I just keep it as it is. And I would put it separately. This color is so gorgeous, and I think this color is one of the most beautiful in my collection. I have two other pink bags that I will compare. I have the bag in the small size that I bought from the previous collection. It's a bubblegum pink. And I have it in the rectangular mini seasonal piece. So this is the seasonal piece, and initially I thought the colors would be quite similar, but when I compare them side by side, I can see that my seasonal piece is a bit more peachy. And by the way, when I saw the clutch in the store and compared with my bag, it really looked quite similar. It's just the clutch was a bit more shiny, but I think Chanel lied deceived me. It's really different. Actually, before I bought this bag, my essay has previously told me that she thinks that the shimmer will come off from the bag because it looks really delicate, but when I look at it, it looks really solid. I don't think the shine will come out ever. And I had other bags from Chanel. I have my vanity case in silver color, and the shine didn't come out. It's perfect. My rectangular mini is in lambskin, and the small is in caviar. It's good to have different hardware on the bags because I prefer to match my accessories. Let's say if I wear white gold, I would like to wear a bag with silver hardware to match it, and the same with the yellow gold. And I have another bag in a bubblegum pink, which is so beautiful. This one would look better with brighter colors. I think the pastel pink goes amazing with pastel colors and dove gray, while this one would look better with the bright colors. I really like the shine on this bag. It's so beautiful, and I will show you how it looks in a different light. So I put it in a windowsill, and it's not very bright right now. There are some clouds. You can see the shine, and I will try to put it in another area of my place. There is less light here. You can see it somehow looks lighter in a darker light. I don't know why, but I still like the shade. All the shades are quite pretty. It's an amazing bag. It's like you buy one bag and it just looks different in the different colors. How awesome is this? And here it looks more pink, and the gold hardware is popping up. It's actually not gold, it's champagne gold, and I really like it. It's my favorite color of hardware on such colorful bags especially. I'm gonna compare this size with the medium flap. I took my second favorite bag, this beautiful flap from the previous collection in the Tiffany blue, and don't they both look like marshmallows? I'm just obsessed with this color combo. Yeah, so you can see the small bag is shorter and thinner and more shinier. and I will put it at the top so you can see. Yeah, it's smaller, but I will show you how much it can fit in. It's quite surprising. I love both of the sizes, and I usually go for the size medium, but because I have way too many of the medium flaps, classic flaps, I wanted to go for a small size. You can see the small one is just a bit shorter. There are so many black clouds outside, and every time there's a cloud, my bag looks brighter, it looks shinier, and the Tiffany blue looks darker. Well, at least it allows me to demonstrate all the variations of pink. The blue bag has more diamonds. It has 7 full and halves at the sides, while the small pink has 7. And that's how you actually can spot the size from far. And yeah, I really like this, and the pocket of the blue is obviously bigger because it's proportionate to the size of the bag. The chain of the small one is shorter. It's not much shorter, but I like to wear the small one crossbody more, and I will show you later how it looks on me. And the chain size is actually the same, it's exactly the same. By the way, the texture of leather is the same. I keep on saying it's caviar, but it's actually grain cuff. And this is how this bag looks on me. I really like the fact that I can so easily integrate it in my wardrobe. I have so many pink, pastel pink blazers, tops, and it looks great with my gray sweaters. I have plenty of those. I feel like I will end up using this bag so often. Let me show you what I can fit in this bag, and I will use my everyday essentials. I will put my Miu Miu glasses in here, and also my card holder. I use this card holder every day. I change my bags every day, but I can't bear the idea of repacking my SLG. I also have this Chanel powder, and I have my hand cream. Yep. And I also have my lipstick from Chanel as well. I like this color. Just put it here. And I also have my hand sanitizer, which is my essential. I always have to have it. I would rather take out the powder but carry my hand sanitizer. So I can close it. It's okay. It's a bit tight. It's tightly packed bag. I'll show you. There's still some space, but I don't like to stuff my bags. I would have to remove something. And by the way, guys, I don't recommend to put the authenticity card here because it actually can scratch your bag, especially when you would fill it with so many items. You would have to find more space. By the way, I would rather remove my powder and keep my hand sanitizer. Oh yeah, if the need be, I will keep a spare one at my desk in the office. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And now I will compare it with the medium flap, what can fit in. By the way, guys, when I travel, I prefer to put my passport and the boarding pass in the medium flap because they don't get creased. The pocket is wider. Anyway, so let's begin. I would put the same items, my Miu Miu glasses, my card holder, and I would put my powder again. It fits in nicely. And of course, I would have to put my hand cream. And I would put my lipstick, the same lipstick. I find the medium flap a bit more roomy for me. You can fit in more. So I would also put hand sanitizer. Maybe I could fit in 2 bottles of hand sanitizer and maybe 1 more lipstick. Yeah, it's quite roomy. There's space here for sure. And I can close it, no problem at all. That's how it looks. Yeah, medium size is definitely good. This collection had so many pink shades, all kinds. I like them all, but I think my absolutely favorite is this iridescent pink. It's so gorgeous. And I can't believe I nearly missed my opportunity of getting this color, but I'm so happy I have it now. Thank you so much for watching, and please feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Bye!